Are you looking for the perfect portable speaker that actually delivers crystal clear sound and deep bass without breaking the bank? Stop scrolling because this might be the best upgrade for your music setup this year. This sleek, waterproof speaker is a total game changer. Whether you're heading to the beach, hanging out by the pool, or just want to fill your room with high-quality audio, this device handles it all with ease. It features an incredibly long battery life, so you don't have to worry about the music cutting out during your party. And the Bluetooth connectivity is rock solid. No annoying lag or disconnections. The build quality feels premium in your hands, yet it's light enough to toss into any backpack. Honestly, for the price and the sound performance you get, it is easily one of the best value-for-money finds on Amazon right now. I've put the direct link to this exact speaker in the video description below. Go check it out, read the reviews, and grab yours before the price goes back up. Don't miss out on this deal.